How to deposit money to Coinbase app. Depositing money in Coinbase lets us buy crypto instantly. So if we do not add funds correctly, transaction can fail or get delayed. So let's do it the right way. We open up the Coinbase application first and make sure we are logged in and verified. Now within here, what we need to do is tap on the option called assets. So we can go to our settings for that, and within our settings, look out for adding cash or adding funds. We need to choose up a payment method for that. Click on add payment method, and within there we'll be finding how we want to deposit within bank account, PayPal, debit card, wire transfer, etc. So select one, and once we select one, what we need to do is basically enter the amount that we want to add. So for that, we can click on buy or send, and once we do so, we can add out cash. So we need to enter the amount that we want to deposit first. Click on add cash and type in the amount that you want to add. After that is done, we can review fees and processing time. Click on preview and add up your payment method. Click on preview, and once you do so, we can just go for and confirm the deposit and even complete out any kind of two-step verification, and there will be funding the screen. Now funds will appear in our cash balance. Some deposits may take time to become withdrawable, but that's it. This is how we do it. Now we have successfully deposited money in Coinbase using the application. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.